I'm with the DJI. Wait a second. Why am I so zoomed in? Yeah, it remembers the zoom, even when the camera is off. I talked about riding my bike. Hey, I'm Fish. It was a warm day. Yes, it is. The sun was out. And it's not going to get nicer later. Did I get passed by a bicyclist? I sure did. I put away the K&F filter that fits onto the Osmo Action 3, 4, and 5 Pro. I'll slide it on another day, just not this time. I don't really need it, because it's not sunny anymore. Lately, when I close down my machine on Wondershare, I get a scaling problem. I even get it when I close my screen down, but I don't see the message. I gotta reformat, factory reset my computer once again. I got a different set of glasses. The ones I had before were brown. I put the gray ones on instead. It looks like a gray day to me again. I'm not so happy anymore using a camera, DJI. I guess because there's no firmware. Hearing people complain, not just me, other people's as well. You never know with GoPro. You never know with DJI. I thought I'd come down towards the pier and just take a look and see what the water looks like today. How does that look like to you? Bodge after bodge after bodge. Am I filming? Did I make a mistake? No, I'm filming. I just didn't hear the beep. I felt the buzz. I don't hear the beep, but I felt the buzz. I heard the beep, but I don't feel the buzz. So yeah, let me tell you, my camera's like this, and I talked about gyro. I wish the camera would show the gyro that we are. You got it. Real steady, I don't use, because I don't do 2.7K. I am shooting with 10-bit color. Was I shooting before with the Pocket 3 10-bit color? I don't think so. I don't know anymore. I really don't care anymore. I got a camera, whatever camera it is, take a photo, take a video, take a shot, get it done. I'm gonna sit here and worry about the shot I take and miss it because I have to stay here and set it up all the time? I'm not gonna worry about it. I remember traveling and I went to Buc-ee's, the nation's largest, one of the nation's largest gas stations. We don't have anything over here like that. So I was down south and I walked with my GoPro Hero 8, was it? Because I went right to the 10. And the 10 had horizon balance. The 8 didn't have it. Man, I was so happy that the 10 had it. I grabbed it and I was happy as can be. Well, I think this time around, DJI, I'm going for a GoPro Hero 14. I keep saying that. I don't want a 13. I want a 14. I want to be 14. You know, like I go on an elevator, I skip 13. They skip those. Maybe they should just went the Hero 12. Now, you would have missed that shot with the Pocket 3. Man, look at that. Like I was saying, you take an elevator and you skip 13, you go right to 14. Man, that Siegel, he was loud. He was telling me, oh, don't skip DJI. Don't go GoPro. Don't go pro on this. I had the Pocket 3, like that scooter behind me. They never see it. Like the squirrels were behind me. I circled it They were all blurry. I hope they weren't blurry to you, all right, Mr. Seagull? He's right up there. That's who's yapping. He's talking to you, telling you. And that's why the Pocket 3, or the Action 5 Pro 2x zoom? Right. I think I'll chase him off the pole, or I'll go talk to Mr. Seagull for you. Hey, Mr. Seagull, this is an Action 5 Pro. You think you can hold on to it, go fly with it, see what shots you can get? Look how big that big boy is, man. He's bigger than the size of a football. Oh yeah. How big are you, Mr. Seagull? I'm about 5 feet away from him. Yes, indeed. I'm zoomed in with horizon balance. D-Wop. Oh, yeah. You tell him, baby. Could care less, man. This is video that, nobody's going to be watching or seeing. Whatever. I can always look back at my videos and say, hey, I remember that time, man. The fun I shared to you. Not many people. Well, I'm going to get on out of here. I'm going to turn my camera and I'm going to chase Mr. Seagull away from me. Mr. Seagull, let's go fly. He went to the other pole. I basically came out here, take a couple of video shots, have some exercise, head on back, edit what I got. Yeah, I got things to do, things to take care of, so let's get on going. I had fun shooting some of the clips. I really did. I enjoyed the time I had with my camera. Let me get on out, get on going. I can't wait for the next firmware update, promised soon. I'm not even sure what it's going to fix. Well, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. I feel a little change in how I'm going to do things. I have an idea what I want to do. I went back to magix for one vlog. Yeah, man, it's gonna have to be HEVC, H.265. I don't think I have an issue using that. I think it's more of an issue with H.264 MP4 being used. But, a little extra work with Wondershare. A lot easier when I use magix. I know I could load up Powerdirector 2024. Do my video edits in there. But like I said, it's just an extra step with these programs. I don't love it, but it's a lot easier when I use Powerdirector magix. It don't jump all over the place for me. I can't use Resolve, DaVinci. Capcut, it's just like Filmora. Can't stand all these extras that you gotta pay for. I just want to see stuff simple and easy to use. That's who I am. Don't let AI ruin your fun. And on that note, I'm out of here. Time to go take care of beeswax. I'm not meeting Joe right now. Later.